Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kanchipuram location. It is from Tamil Nadu. I am going to provide all the links in the description box to apply for this job roles. If you are interested to apply, you can easily apply from there. Coming to the video, there is a job opening for the senior engineer network and it is from Gates Corporation. And if you see the qualifications required, like you should have bachelor's degree in computer science or related discipline, certifications or equivalent experience. And you should have 5 to 7 years of experience working with advanced network and telecom systems and extensive experience in networking and network security with Cisco platforms and professional certification such as the CCTP, CCNP, CCNA, CCTA or CCIE with an emphasis on switching data centers outdoor-wise, and ITIL certification is a plus. These are some qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for this section officer. It is from the Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development. And if you see the educational qualifications required, like a bachelor's degree from a recognized university or equivalent is preferred, and you should have 7 years of experience in administration and accounts and work in the government or university or college or institution in the PB1 with grade pay of that is 2,800 rupees. And if you see the desired candidate profile, like you should have knowledge of working in e-office system and knowledge of working in academic section, conducting examinations, admissions, entrance examinations, etc. And you should have knowledge of computer applications. These are some skills required, and if you are interested for this job position, you can please go through all details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for the junior assistant. It is from Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development. And coming to the educational qualifications required, like any bachelor's degree from a recognized university or institute or college with at least second class is preferred. And if you see the experience required for the desired candidates, like minimum 2 years of experience in academic and examination section in the central government education institution or central universities, and you should have experience of working in e-office system, a knowledge of working in MS Word and MS Excel, a knowledge of UGC rules and regulation, and conduct of examinations, publishing the results, maintenance of student database, fee collection register, issue of bonfire certificate, and semester mark statements to the students, and conduct of convocation, etc. These are the some experience required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the computer science specialist. It is from KG Technologies Private Limited. If you see the requirements and responsibilities for this job position, like the candidates must be in and around Gudvanchari, and degree must be computer science only, and non-computer science students should have completed PHP or Laravel course from any training institute, and the candidates would be ready to learn quickly the PHP Laravel and start working on the project, and the candidates should be ready to sign the 1 year bond and has to commute to the office located in Gudvanchari, Madambakam, and handle the project independently, and the salary will be 6,000 per month and post confirmation will be 1 lakh per year, and the candidate must be aware of the basics of HTML, CSS, JS, SQL, PHP if possible. These are some requirements and responsibilities for this job position. If you are interested for this job position, you can please go through all details mentioned here. Next one, There is a job opening for the library assistant. It is from Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development. And if you see the educational requirements, like you should have degree in library science from a recognized university, and you should have 3 years of experience in a library in the government or university or college. And if you see the desirable skills required in the candidate, like the knowledge of working in e-office system and computer applications, and you should have knowledge of working in Koha library management software. These are the information about this job role. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the Manager Debt Management Services SME, and it is from Bajaj Finserv. And if you see the job duties and key responsibilities for this position, like to achieve debt management services targets of the respective branch assigned, ensuring meetings PA targets, meeting the target on cost of debt management services, ensuring meeting PA targets within cost limit specified on monthly basis, and ensuring legal guidelines are compiled for entire debt management services structure in letter and spirits, and ensure that the debt management services agencies and in-house collectors adhere to the legal guidelines provided by the law enforcement and ensure adherence to the code of conduct, and continuously monitoring debt management services agencies and in-house collectors to identify fraudulent practices and to ensure that no loss is incurred due to such activities. These are some duties and key responsibilities mentioned here for this job position. If you are interested for this position, you can please go through the all details mentioned here. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the library attendant cum typist. It is from Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development. For this job position, there is one vacancy is available, and the pay matrix will include 9,900 to 63,200. And coming to the educational qualifications, like you should have HSC or equivalent, and typing speed would be 30 WPM in English. And if you see the desirables, like certificate course in library science or library and information science from a recognized institute, and you should have knowledge of computer applications and knowledge of working in e-office system and computer applications, and you should have knowledge of working in Koha library management software. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. You can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the finance officer, and it is also from the Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development. For this position also, only one vacancy is available, and the pay matrix will be 78,800 to 2,09,200. And if you see the educational qualifications, like officers working in organized account services like ICAS, IRAS, IDAS, IP and TAS, or IA and AS, and officers with holding analogous post on a regular basis. These are some qualifications required for this position. And if you see the desirables, like knowledge of working in e-office system or PF, MS or Tally, and you should have knowledge of computer applications. These are some desirables for the candidates. Interested candidates, you can please go through the all details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for the accounts executive, and it is from Uttara Merur, and it is from Talent Corner HR Services Private Limited. And if you see the job description, like invoicing, coordination with customers, good knowledge of GST or e-waste and TDS returns, and good knowledge of working with Tally ERP, friendly working with Microsoft Office, and any other activity related to compliance of the company, and good in English communication skills, and capable of handling logistics files. This is a job description, and for this job role you should have qualifications like BCom and 2 years plus experience, and the salary will be up to 3 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates can please go through the all details mentioned here, and if you are interested you can easily apply by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the area manager, rural Tamlore, and it is from Bajaj Finserv. If you see the job duties and key responsibilities for this position, like achieving and exceeding business goals and targets for personal loan, identifying referral network brokers and generating business from them, and assign the responsibility to sales executives and monitor the performance, identification of good areas to operate and customer profiles, and effectively engage operations and risk teams to understand and contribute to overall process and profitability across locations. And some more details are also mentioned here. You can please go through it. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the supplier quality engineer automotive. It is from Seal HR. For this job portion, you should have BE mechanical qualifications and you should have 3 to 5 years of experience, and the salary will be 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. And if you see the roles and responsibilities for this position, like you should have experience in sheet metal and fabrication manufacturing, and you should have excellent statistical analysis and quality assurance skills, and you should have in-depth knowledge of the technical aspects of manufacturing and engineering, and good working knowledge of quality control standards, and you should have experience with manufacturing and production process and engineering principles. These are some roles and responsibilities I have mentioned here for this job portion. Interested candidates, so you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the sanitation or cleaner. It is from Bento Sushi. And if you see the job qualifications, like you have to ability to lift up to 23 kgs and minimum high school diploma is preferred, and you should have basic English verbal and written communicational skills. WHMIS certificate is an asset. These are some qualifications I have mentioned here for this job position. And if you see the responsibilities, like the sanitation teammate is responsible for cleaning and sanitizing equipment, utensils, walls, tables and floors using chemicals. Clean and sanitize equipment, utensils, walls, tables and floors using chemicals. Maintain cleanliness of office area and staff cafeteria, and perform inspection of equipment, utensils, etc. to ensure not broken or missing parts and intact. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned for this job portion. And one more thing, it is a evening shift. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the engineer, weld shop supervisor. It is from SAIL HR. And if you see the qualifications required, like BE mechanical is preferred, and you should have 3 to 5 years of experience in this field, and the CTC will be 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. And if you see the job skills and roles, like you should have good welding knowledge like MIZ, TIZ and SPOT, and the salary is based on daily production planning, and manpower requirement and shift planning for production, and manpower handling, material requirement planning, knowledge for standard operating procedure, and you should have knowledge of 5S. These are some skills and roles for this job position. If you are interested to apply for this job position, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.